Don't use 6-inch landscape staples to hold down your 1/4-inch and 1/8 inch drip tubing. They constantly move around and do not hold your drip line well. Use Sandbaggy 5-inch drip tubing stakes instead. They are designed specifically to secure drip irrigation up to 1/4 inch. They are also made of low carbon 14 gauge steel and are galvanized so you can reuse the staples many times before the stakes start to rust. We recommend separating each stake 2 to 4 feet and using a rubber mallet for easy installation. We also pre-package the staples 100 per bag so you know exactly how many to bring to a job. Here's what our customer Oliver from California has to say about our drip tubing stakes.
This irrigation system starts with a half inch main line, and then we have a drip line coming off of it in this elongated planter here, and these particular stakes are perfect to not only put the irrigation line in place, but it gives a visual marker where the actual drips are happening, so I can adjust accordingly.
Save time and effort with Sandbaggy staples. We carry a full line of staples from 5 to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils and keep millions of units in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 best-selling brand of landscape staples on the internet. Sandbaggy is an American company based in California that is trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.